Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where architecture meets imagination and dreams come to life. Today, we take you inside one of the most breathtaking waterfront estates in Texas, a rare blend of beauty, design, and absolute luxury. Located at 2 West Isle Place, Spring, Texas, this stunning property valued at $7,490,000 redefines what it means to live in elegance and comfort. As the cinematic drone sweeps across the lake, the dual-gated entrance comes into view, opening to a wide circular driveway surrounded by manicured gardens and swaying palms. The sun glows over the Mediterranean-inspired architecture, the walls kissed with soft neutral hues, and the air carries a quiet calm that feels like a private retreat from the world. Every line, every curve of this mansion whispers perfection. Step through the grand doors and you're greeted by an atmosphere that takes your breath away. Soaring ceilings rise above an open, sunlit interior, while light dances through towering windows that frame the sparkling lake beyond. The living room stands as a masterpiece on its own, filled with custom millwork, Venetian walls, and magnificent Italian chandeliers that pour golden light over polished travertine marble floors. It's not just a living space, it's a scene from a dream. To one side, the heart of the home, a chef's kitchen designed for those who believe cooking is an art. Expansive marble countertops stretch across a generous island, complemented by professional-grade appliances and subtle lighting that creates warmth in every corner. From here, your gaze leads into the dining area, where an elegant glass-top table sits beneath a glowing chandelier, and the panoramic windows offer an unforgettable view of the water. Imagine sharing dinner with loved ones as the colors of the sunset reflect across the lake, painting the room with gold and pink. Upstairs, the experience becomes even more personal. The master suite is a private sanctuary, quiet, soft, and beautifully intimate. Large glass doors open to a balcony where mornings begin with the shimmer of the lake and the melody of gentle waves. Inside, the en-suite bathroom feels like a 5-star spa, with a marble-soaking tub, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and lighting so soft it feels like peace itself. Every inch of this space has been designed for tranquility, luxury, and comfort. Beyond the master, each of the 5 bedrooms carries its own identity, with private en-suite baths and flawless finishing. Whether it's a guest suite or a family room, every space feels independent, private, and equally luxurious. The home continues to surprise with a handsome library, crafted with rich wood tones and classic sophistication, a perfect escape for reading, studying, or simply enjoying the quiet. Just beyond lies a media and game room, where comfort meets entertainment. From movie nights to game days, the energy here feels vibrant and welcoming, designed to create lasting memories with family and friends. For wellness and rejuvenation, the home features a complete indoor spa equipped with both wet and dry saunas, a hidden retreat for the soul, right within your walls. It's the kind of luxury most only dream of, now built into daily life. And for car enthusiasts, this property has something truly special, a showcase garage with polished floors, accent lighting, and space that feels more like a gallery than a parking area. Here, your vehicles become part of the design, a reflection of your taste and lifestyle. But step outside, and the true magic begins. The infinity pool stretches gracefully toward the lake, mirroring the colors of the sky and creating a seamless illusion of water meeting water. Around it, comfortable lounges, a fire pit, and an outdoor kitchen complete the picture-perfect setting. Imagine hosting a summer evening barbecue while watching boats glide quietly across the water, the firelight flickering beside you. Down by the water's edge, a private dock with built-in seating, and yes, a pontoon boat included, offers you the luxury of your own private cruises at dusk. As night falls, the mansion transforms into a glowing jewel on the lakeshore. The soft golden lights shimmer across the water, the reflections dancing under the stars, and the atmosphere feels like a living postcard of serenity and success. This magnificent property is presented by the Diane Kink Team of Keller Williams Woodlands, one of the most respected and top-producing real estate groups in North America. For more details or private viewings, a big thank you to the videographer whose artistry captured every stunning detail of this home. If you know the filmmaker or have credit information, at American Dream Mansions, we bring you the finest homes in the United States, properties that celebrate architectural brilliance and redefine modern luxury. Each home we showcase is more than a structure, it's a dream come to life, a reflection of passion, success, and artistry. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the breathtaking $7.49 million waterfront mansion at 2 West Isle Place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxurious inspirations. This is American Dream Mansions, inspiring your dream home, one masterpiece at a time.